Chain of thought prompting is a technique that dramatically improves how large language models handle complex reasoning tasks. Instead of asking an AI for a direct answer, this method encourages it to produce intermediate steps, like showing its work in a math problem. Researchers have found that this simple shift can boost accuracy on arithmetic, logic, and multi-step problems by over 20%. The model essentially mimics human deliberation, breaking down a question into manageable chunks. For example, when solving a word problem, the AI first identifies relevant data, then formulates equations, and finally computes the result. This structured approach reduces errors caused by jumping to conclusions. Chain of thought prompting works best with models that have been fine-tuned on reasoning datasets, and it pairs well with techniques like few-shot learning. The key takeaway is that prompting an AI to explain its reasoning not only yields better answers but also makes the decision process more transparent and trustworthy.